It's under our persimmon tree. We haven't been back here at all since it snowed. I think lots of animals have been. They love the persimmons. Thought we'd look at a few tracks and see what's been here. Like I would know, right? Definitely bird tracks, I'm thinking. Coyotes like persimmons. Deer like persimmons. Birds like persimmons. But we have not been back here at all. And look how it's all torn up. We haven't been here. It should be smooth like the rest of the snow. And it's not. So, I believe that's a deer track. Probably the majority of it are deer tracks. Some of them look like people, but I don't think so. Definitely deer tracks. They just are sinking way into the snow. It looks like somebody worked really hard over here. I'd say we've had some pretty good sized deer back here digging up the persimmons. Let's see where they went. There's quite a few paths through here. Not just one. Those are our tracks. That I know. Let's see where these end up. It's a highway. I think they're all deer tracks. Look at all the tracks. I'd say all the deer know where to come get persimmons. Isn't that weird? I keep thinking they're too big for deer tracks, but then when you look inside them, you can see the deer hooves. Coming and going. Those are coming. That might be a bunny rabbit. But you can tell they're coming from across the road. in the woods. Maybe dog tracks. Starting them out. And that's okay with me. So we've been feeding the deer persimmons. They need food too. We'll do a real quick walk around the pond just because we can. And it's really nice today. It's like 41 degrees. So it's not bitterly cold like it has been. The snow won't last long. That's okay with me too. Nobody's living in there right now. It's housed pigeons and peacocks and chickens. Right now, nobody's there. Maybe coyote. That's kind of my guess. Pond's frozen. This winter. We got some work to do when the weather clears up. I don't know. Deer, I guess. You can see there's lots of animals running around. That's when you appreciate really what's around you when the snow's on the ground. You can actually tell what's around.